Let me guess you've tried teeth whitening before? Strips that burn your gums, gels that taste like chemicals, or devices that promise Hollywood results but barely touch the yellow spots on your teeth. And every time you ask yourself, why doesn't anything work for me? Now imagine this 6 days from now, your smile is not just better, it's glowing. Like 7 shades whiter glowing. Enter Laughland, the whitening kit that isn't trying to gimmick you with LED lights and buzzwords. It's science-backed, dentist-formulated, and most importantly, it works without pain or sensitivity. So let's dive in. What is Laughland? How does it work? And is it really worth your hard-earned cash? What is Laughland? Laughland is not your average drugstore whitening kit. This is a dentist-formulated, FDA-registered, CE-certified at-home whitening system that's been trusted by over 200,000 customers since 2000. And here's the punchline. Unlike the copycat brands out there, Laughland isn't built on marketing fluff. It's built on clinical data, scientific formulation, and real results. It was developed by actual dental professionals, including Peter T.J. Kwan, DDS, who personally recommends it over many in-office treatments. What you get is professional level whitening in the comfort of your own bathroom and without the dentist bill that makes your wallet cry. How does Laughland work? Alright, time to nerd out, but just enough to make sense. Laughland works through chemical bleaching using hydrogen peroxide, the same whitening agent dentists use. But here's what makes it different. Hydrogen peroxide breaks down stain-causing molecules called chromogens that hide beneath your enamel. The LED curing light in the Laughland kit acts as a catalyst, speeding up the reaction and helping the gel penetrate deeper for longer-lasting results. A unique blend of glycerin, sodium bicarbonate, aloe vera, and other natural ingredients helps protect your teeth from sensitivity. It's not magic, it's chemistry done right. And here's the kicker. They store their formula in a temperature-controlled facility because hydrogen peroxide breaks down in warm environments. Most other kits, they ship it like regular toothpaste, which means by the time it reaches you, it's already weak. With Laughland, what you get is fresh, potent, effective, every time.
Features and benefits of Laughland.
Let's zoom in on what you actually get when you open the box and why it matters. One whitening power that delivers. Get 7 pause shades whiter in 6 days, backed by clinical studies. Some users saw noticeable results after the first treatment. The 0 sensitivity, 100% confidence. In clinical trials, 0% of users reported sensitivity. Say goodbye to burning, gums, stinging enamel, or discomfort. 3. Same active ingredient dentists use. No gimmicks. Real hydrogen peroxide, just like in the clinic. Enhanced by soothing ingredients like aloe vera and glycerin. 4-part LED NanoLight included. Speeds up the whitening process. Helps penetrate deeper stains for long-lasting results. 5. Designed for real life. Quick treatments, 10-15 mins. Do it while watching Netflix. No messy strips, no weird taste, no plastic smell. 6 balanced formula. The patented 8:16 ratio balances stain removal and enamel care, moisturizes your teeth to prevent dryness and damage. 7. Clean ingredients, no nonsense, formulated without artificial junk, stored cold to maintain strength until the moment you use it. How to use Laughland. It's ridiculously simple. You don't need a science degree or a dental chair to use Laughland. Just follow 3 easy steps. Brush and dry your teeth. Start with a clean mouth. Drying helps the gel adhere properly.
Apply gel and use mouthpiece.
Use the gel applicator, pop in the LED device, and chill for 10-15 minutes. Smile and repeat daily for 6 days. No mess, no stress. Just keep up the streak and watch your smile glow. Pro tip, avoid staining foods like coffee and wine during the 6-day treatment for max results. Laughland pros and cons. Let's get real. No product is perfect. But here's the honest breakdown. Pros. 100% success rate in clinical trials. 0 sensitivity report. Dentist-approved formula. Affordable bundle deals. FDA-registered PI CE certified. Real ingredients. Real cold storage. Excellent customer support. Cons. Doesn't whiten veneers or caps. Only real teeth. Requires 6 days of consistent use. International orders may face customs fees. So yeah, it's not a miracle wand, but for natural teeth, it's a game changer. Price and where to buy Laughland. Now let's talk business. How much does it cost and is it worth it? Here are the current deals on Laughland's official site. Single kit, $39.99. Buy 2 get 1 free, $79.99. Buy 3 get 2 free, $119.99, retail $49.95. Free US shipping and money-back guarantee included with all purchases. You also get everything you need in the box. 6X whitening gels, 1X LED NanoLight mouthpiece, USB-C, Lightning and micro USB adapters, instruction manual. What real users are saying, spoiler, they love it. Let's hear it from the people who matter, real customers. Lauren S., normally I get extreme pain from whitening products. Laughland shocked me. 2 shades whiter after 1 day. I eat whitening kits. Except this one. No mess, no pain, and it actually works. I'm a fan for life. Jonah B. My teeth were yellow for years. 6 days later, they sparkle, and I'm wearing lipstick again. Addison J. Zero pain. Blinding results, worth every penny. Best purchase I've made this year. This isn't cherry-picked hype. These reviews reflect a consistent experience. Laughland delivers. Final verdict. Should you try Laughland? Let's wrap this up. If you've been burned by fake promises, frustrated by painful strips, or tired of smiling with your lips closed, Laughland isn't just another kit, it's the one that finally works. You're getting dentist-level results, clinically backed science, and an at-home process that respects your time, your enamel, and your wallet. It's simple, it's safe, it's smile science that works. Ready to try it? Click the link, grab your kit, and get ready to fall in love with your mirror again.